सो आम्ही रे मार्गांव फॉर सम मटेरियल घेवपाक ड्रेसाक आनी सारकी इतली वता सारकी टायर्ड जाली आमी आतां वयता आमी ऑलरेडी घेतला गाडये कडेन येयला आतां पावलें हांव इतलें वता आनी इतली गरमी आतां सायज सो आतां आमी घेतला मटेरियल घेतला तुमकां दाखयता हांव मागीर आमी तुमी पळयतली एक्चुअली मागीर तें सो चड दीस उरोवनाय आमकां शिंवपाक फेस्त आहा आमचें थिंगा आनी घेवया म्हणलें मटेरियल बिकॉज मी सद्या ओल्ड घालचें पडटाय म्हाका ताका लागून सो आतां वयता जालें जस्ट गाडयेन पावलां सामकें टायर्ड जालें हांव चलून इतल्या आतां वयता आनी मामाक बाबा कलेक्ट करता तुमकां मागीर मेळटा ओके बाय त्या उपरांत मागीर वयताय आमी घरा हॅलो गायज सो आमी घरा पावलाय बट झीव इज स्लिपींग इन द कार सो ताका लागून ताका आमी दवरला थिंगा गाडयेनूच सो हांवें म्हणलें गाडी ऑनूच दवरया मातशी गरमी जातल्या कडेन न्हिदोनी म्हणून सो ही इज लायक टेकींग अ नॅप सो हांवें मातशें हिंगा रावतलें म्हणलें गाडयेन फॉर सम टायम टील हीज बीट नॅप मातशी कंप्लीट जावन दी मातशें रावन ताका उठयता मागीर वयता वयर सो ताका हांव हाटान बिला बसपाक गाडयेन आतां मातशें रावन मागीर ताका उठयता Hello guys, so I shower घेतला and I'm very hungry so I'm having my food. Let me show you guys कितें कितें केलां आमगेर rice curry, तेंडली pickle, हें kingfish and कोडीन घातलेलें चटणी and morso fry. Yum food. तुमकां हांव मागीर जेवन मेळटा ओके बाय बाय अमेझिंग गायज सो आतां आमचें summer season जाल्लें हा स्टार्ट आनी इट्स मँगो सीजन सो आय एम इटींग मँगो माय फेवरेट इज मानकुराद तुमचो फेवरेट खंयचो आंबो तो तुमी कमेंट्सान सांगाय माय फेवरेट इज मानकुराद मँगो आय जस्ट लव दीस सो आतां ऑलरेडी 2 हायलायट्स विथ वन सो आय एम हॅविंग रायट नाव सी यू लेटर बाय अमेझिंग तो वास आनी सामको टेस्ट न्हू Oh my god, I can eat so many of this at once. So तुमकां हातान मागीर मेवता बाय हॅलो गायज सो आमी गेलेली टू लिओनाज प्लेस माय सिस्टर इन लॉज प्लेस आनी आतां तेन्ना भूक लागली सारकी सो आय बॉट रोस ऑमलेट ओके ती आतां घालता सो दीस इज द रोस ऑमलेट गायज सारकी ओके आणि सॅलड हा पळय आणि ब्रेड सो कीप द ब्रेड थोडं सॅलड घालता आतां सो गायज आतां हांव खाता म्हाजें रोस ऑमलेट इट इज रियली यमी There is drinking ice cream all the time. Come here. Okay, like this. So that is sunny eyes. I'm having the roast omelette, guys. And it's so ruchi lagi hoga. Yummy. Nice. Yum yum. Hello guys, now with to do my nails. सारक्यो पिड्या आल्ल्यो हाय I didn't do nails for a month now आणि so I चिंतलें की I'll be going now after a long break already दिलेलो आहा so I'll do now I'll go so आतां हांव भायर सरलो वचपाक and I'm on the way and I'm going to my OG my old place that's the nail master Manish so I love his work by the way and so I told him I appointment घेतला and also I'm going to do my gel polish for my feet so आता वयता I need to reach there by 3 o'clock it's already 2:50 आणि 10 मिनटां उरलाय म्हाका but I should reach by 3 o'clock I think the traffic nice and then I'm going to start doing my nails and मागीर म्हाका also have to go to buy some actually some clothes for Sansi my husband that is he needs a shirt फाल्यां आमच्या थिंगा फेस्त हा ग्लोरिया साहेबनेचे फेस्त कोत्ताय आमी गांवसी हिलार बाटये बाती गांवान ओके आमच्या बाटये गांवान 2 चर्चीज आहाय एक ऑलरेडी एक बदलो मोठा पळय ती 2 चर्ची आहाय एक Our Lady of Guadalupe and Church of Saint Simon and Saint Jude ha. So tia igojin like oir kasi hilache te festa in the second Sunday of after Easter. So tinga festa lagon I already material alla oir gelle markaw ani already of the dress ready zallo ha. Mashta kite patch work korpacha ulla masso. This is a little part I pattern karla devshe. So the zankani magir sorted. Shoes are high magode same color achitya. My husband and my baby I have to get the shirt because the color I got a shirt but it's looking a little bit of old koho. So I need to buy something new for him for the festa galpak. So tia dinga hoitale ang arpak mage shirts tanka and then I'll come back home. Also karakode kaina groceries be and I need some things for the household. So they arpa hoitale ang time order maka. Let's see because it takes at least 2 hours to get the nails done. So according to that but I'll try to get everything. So tumka mai melta bye. Just parked the car. Mashi poise me parking maka. Now walking towards the salon. Hello guys, so just started with my nails. त्यावेळी तुमका बरोबर मागीर हांव आनी आतां हांव वयता टू बाय शर्ट फॉर सांसी. सो सी यू गायज सून. Hello. 44 long sleeve shirt. Slim fit ha?
Oil awesome. Smart fit.
Slim. So as I was saying, America has lovely colors now, so I'm liking them already. Like if the to me thing, I don't know from where you guys purchase, but they're nice colors, and now definitely we need to buy for Sansi because Sansi clothes shirts are gone for like toss. Why I'm saying for toss because it's are gone like old and gelle high, so I'm not fitting him. So we need to upgrade his wardrobe. I'm gonna do it soon so that whatever goras have with gela colors deka and tomorrow like alpazat fale getla आणि मागीर रोखडे आमचे कपलाचे वेस्ट हा तेका घेतला आणि रोखडे मागीर आमचे बेबीचे बालती मस्तले सो तेका येवपा पडले मे बी फॉर दॅट ही इज गोना बाय अ सूट. सो आय जस्ट बॉट हिम 2-3 शर्ट्स एट द मोमेंट जायते and मागीर आनीक घेवपाचे नायस ब्युटिफूल कलर्स. So right now I'm leaving. I also have a choir practice now to attend and guess what, there's no time. I'm already late. I think our practice already starts early. It will take me at least half an hour to reach home because traffic is there. But I'll see if I can make it. I also have to pick up Zeev because Zeev is crying me, so mama is like come to pick him up because it's already too late. So tumka mai mein hota. Bye bye, see you guys. Look at my nails, freshly nails. Do you like it? Hello guys, so was the dress all ready and I'm just doing the patchwork. Okay, just need to cut these things and put it on my dress. So dress to me file poitali mazo once I wear it. So tumka mai mein hota. Okay, I'm feeling sleepy but I have to do it because file festa nahi. I have to wear this dress. Just a few patchwork is remaining to be done. So the kutta and मैं लोग मैं आना. Bye.
नाटकांत गोरवान क्रिस्ता जेजू सोम्या जेजू हांव उलयना.
देवा बघितले विचित्रंगाचे देवा बघितले सुंदर चमकतो स्वर्ग राज्यांतले पृथ्वीर देवलोले उत्तम उत्तम देणे तू उत्तम देणे तू गायज केदो हांव तुमकां म्हाजें आउटफीट दाखोवपाक विसरलें सो दिस इज माय आउटफीट दिस इज माय ड्रेस ओके सिंपल ड्रेस शिवला दिस इज माय इतलो चलले हेज्या बोर इतली गर्मी हाली माय हेयर इज मेस्ड अप ओके बाय बाय